Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make a long ruched sleeve. So for two sleeves you will need about 1.5 yard for two sleeves, or more than 1.5 yard. We need like 2 yards for two sleeves. So I use just one sleeve for illustration. So first of all, we are going to fold our fabric into two, and you measure your full length. So my the full length of my sleeve is 25 inches. So after that, you will add extra 20 inches to the length of the sleeve. So the full length of my sleeve is 25, right? So I'll go ahead and add 20 inches, making it 45 plus 1 inch seam allowance. So for the width, I will mark 13 inches for the round sleeve, because the sleeve has to be loose. So I'll go ahead and make my armhole curve. So these 13 inches that I made for the width of the sleeve will extend to the full length. It will be 13 inches till the full length. So I'll go ahead and cut out the remaining parts. So after that, I'll go ahead and notch the center of the upper part and the lower part of the sleeve. So after doing that, I'll introduce my elastic. So I am using 1/4 inch elastic for this. So I'll measure, if you want your length to stop at 24, the length of your elastic will be 24. If you want it to stop at 20, the length of your elastic will be 20. I mean, after adding the elastic, like if you want the length of the men's sleeve to be 14, make it 14. Like after making your gathers, if you want it to be 25 or 20, just make your elastic that length, your desired length, your normal sleeve length. So I'll go ahead and place my elastic at the center, and then I'll go ahead and sew. So I'll move over to my sewing machine, and first of all I will hem the sleeve. Remember, I added 1 inch seam allowance. You can add 2 inches because the 1 inch that I added was not that okay. So you will add 2 inches seam allowance for the hem. Then after doing that, I'll go ahead and open my sleeve, like I'll spread it. So after spreading it, I'll place my elastic at the center, and then I'll start sewing on the elastic. I will sew on the middle of the elastic. So as I'm sewing, I will be dragging my elastic. As you are sewing, keep dragging your elastic. So you can notice that after sewing on the elastic, you will have gathers around there. So I'll continue doing that. I'll drag and sew. So when I was reaching the end part, I noticed that the 25 inches that I measured was a kind of long, so I had to reduce the length of my elastic by 3 inches. So after doing that, you go ahead and join the side seam, and after joining, your sleeve is ready. It is not that hard, though I used a lycra fabric for this. It wasn't that full, but had it been I used a satin for this type of sleeve, it will be very full. The gathers will be very full. So go ahead and use like 1 inch or half an inch to shape the sleeve, and that is all for this sleeve. So at the end of the day, this is what your sleeve will look like. As you can see, mine is beautiful, but had it been I used a satin, it would have been better. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, and please share this video so that more soulmates can get to see it. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.